your paws, hop and run. The morning light has just begun. Hop, hop, little bunnies, out of your nest. It's a new day, so let's be our best. With a wiggle and a twitch, they start to hop. Ready for fun, they can't stop. Now baby la la, let's wake the cows. They're sleeping in the barn, under the boughs. Moo moo cows, it's time to rise. Come outside and stretch the skies. Next, let's wake the pigs in the pen. They're snuggled up, counting to 10. Oink, oink, pigs, come out to play. Rolling in the mud to start the day. The sheep in the meadow are sleeping tight. Let's give them a nudge and make things right. Ba ba sheep, time to say hello. Come out and enjoy the morning glow. The ducks in the pond are floating asleep. Let's wake them up from their watery deep. Quack, quack, ducks, flap your wings wide. It's a perfect day to swim and glide. Baby la la, you've woken them all. The farm animals are ready for a ball. With a moo and an oink, a quack and a baa. It's time for a fun day, hurrah, hurrah.
Bumble Ellen!
The bear went over the mountain to see what he could see. He saw the green and rolling hills as far as the eye could see. The bear went over the mountain, his paws were big and strong. He roared a mighty happy roar, singing his bear song. He saw a river flowing by and a forest full of trees, with birds that sang and critters that played and a cool, refreshing breeze. The bear went over the mountain to find a place to rest. He lay beneath the shady trees, feeling peaceful and blessed. He climbed back down the mountain with a smile upon his face. He had a grand adventure and now he's back in his cozy place. The bear went over the mountain to see the world so wide. And though he's home and resting now, he'll go again next time. The bear went over the mountain to see the world so wide. And though he's home and resting now, he'll go again next time. He'll go again next time. He'll go again next time.
Bumble Ellen!
Beads bath turn splash, splash, splash. Water's warm, let's make a splash. Grab the soap and scrub, scrub, scrub. We'll make bubbles in the tub. Rubber duckies floating by, splashing water oh so high. Wash your arms and wash your feet. Time to get nice and neat. Shampoo, shampoo on your head. Lather up, then rinse and spread. Bubbles floating soft and white, making bath time pure delight. Rub your tummy, rub your toes. Scrub your knees and scrub your nose. Rinse and rinse, don't miss a spot. You'll be clean and fresh a lot. Now it's time to dry, dry, dry. With a towel oh so high. Pat, pat, pat all around. Now you're dry, safe and sound. All clean and cozy, feeling bright. Now it's time to say goodnight. It's bath time fun, and now we see how clean and happy we can be. flour, soft and white. Baked with animals, what a delight. A is for warm and red. B is for banana bread. C is for cookies round and small. D is for donuts stacked so tall. Pat a cake, stir it slow. Down on the farm where fun will grow. E is for from the chicken's nest. F is for frosty, it's the best. G is for who helps make cheese. H is for honey from the bees. I is for icing on the top. J is for jam, you just can't stop. K is for kitchen, warm and bright. L is for ladle, stirring right. M is for milk from the cow nearby. N is for nibbling, pumpkin pie. O is for oven, hot and sweet. P is for pastry, what a treat. Q is for quiche with a golden top. R is for rolling, never stop. S is for sugar, sprinkle it fast. T is for treats that always last. U is for utensils we all share. V is for veggies, baked with care. W is for whisk, let's mix again. X is for extra love we send. Y is for yum, let's have a bite. Z is for zebra cake, what a sight. Pat a cake, clap and sing. Baking on the farm is a joyful thing. With ABCs and treats galore. Let's bake again, we all want more. Yes, let's go outside. Put on shoes and take a ride. The sun is shining, skies are blue. Adventure waits for me and you. Look, what do we see? A map that's hidden by the tree. It shows a trail with steps to take. Let's find treasure by the lake. Yes, let's dig and look. With our shovel and our hook. Under leaves and behind the log. Peek inside that hollow log. A golden shell, a sparkling stone. A secret key all on its own. We follow clues and hop along. Singing loud our treasure song. Yes, we're on the way. Finding magic in our play. Through the flowers, past the bees, climbing over stumpy trees. What's that shining near the sand? A treasure box, oh isn't it grand? We open it up, and what's inside? A note that says you're brave and kind. Yes, we laugh and cheer. Our treasure is the fun and cheer. Playing outside so wild and free. That's the best gold there could be. Baa baa, black sheep, come to my school. Bring your wool bag, soft and cool. We'll read and play and learn to count. With storybooks piled in a fluffy mount. Baa baa baa, the black sheep said, I'll wear my backpack, blue and red. We trotted in with a happy grin. Ready for school, let's begin. We painted clouds and colored sheep. Built tall towers in a giant leap. We sang the alphabet nice and loud. Bob clapped his hooves so very proud. Snack time came with juice and fruit. Bob shared cookies in a cute wool suit. Then outside for a game of tag. He ran so fast, waving his flag. Time for nap, the teacher said. Bob curled up on a cozy bed. With dreams of chalk and counting sheep, he snuggled in for a school time sleep. Ba ba ba. explore where the breezes blow. One little duck flew far and wide, looking for stars he could catch and ride. Mama duck called with a quack so loud, back came one from the soft white cloud. Four little ducks in the sky so blue, dancing in circles, what a view! One duck spun in a moonbeam swirl, back came one with a shiny pearl. Three little ducks flew near a kite, zooming and zipping left and right. One saw a cloud shaped like a bear, back came one from way up there. Two little ducks flew over a tree, waving their wings so joyfully. One duck giggled, dipped down low, back came one from the breeze's flow. One little duck soared all alone, looking for stones that shone and shone. Mama duck quacked from the pond below, back came the last with a happy glow. All five ducks flew down with cheer, landing beside their mama dear. They told their tales of sky so wide, then snuggled up for a cozy ride.
Bumble Ellen.
Five little ducks flying in the sky, flapping their wings as they zoomed up high, over the clouds and the rainbow's glow, off to explore where the breezes blow. One little duck flew far and wide, looking for stars he could catch and ride. Mama duck called with a quack so loud, back came one from the soft white cloud. Four little ducks in the sky so blue, dancing in circles, what a view! One duck spun in a moonbeam swirl, back came one with a shiny pearl. Three little ducks flew near a kite, zooming and zipping left and right. One saw a cloud shaped like a bear, back came one from way up there. Two little ducks flew over a tree, waving their wings so joyfully. One duck giggled, dipped down low, back came one from the breeze's flow. One little duck soared all alone, looking for stones that shone and shone. Mama duck quacked from the pond below, back came the last with a happy glow. All five ducks flew down with cheer, landing beside their mama dear. They told their tales of sky so wide, then snuggled up for a cozy ride.
Bumble Ellen.
Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. And in that jungle he had a lion, E-I-E-I-O. With a roar, roar here and a roar, roar there. Here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar, roar. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. Old jungle, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. And in that jungle he had a monkey, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. With an ooh-ooh here and an ah-ah there, here an ooh, there an ah everywhere, and ooh-ah. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. And in that jungle he had a parrot, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. With a squawk squawk here and a squawk squawk there, here a squawk, there a squawk everywhere, a squawk squawk. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. And in that jungle he had a frog, E-I-E-I-O, I-O. With a ribbit here and a ribbit there, here a ribbit, there a ribbit everywhere, ribbit. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O. With happy animals playing all day, E-I-E-I-O. With a roar and a ribbit and a trumpet too, ooh, 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 ah, and a squawk from you. Old MacDonald had a jungle, E-I-E-I-O.
Bumble Ellen.
The wheels on the fire truck go round and round, round and round, round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the fire truck go round and round on the way to the pet store. The siren on the truck goes whoop whoop woo, whoop whoop woo, whoop whoop woo, whoop whoop woo. The siren on the truck goes whoop whoop woo, rescuing pets today. The ladder on the truck goes up, 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 up. The ladder on the truck goes up, 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 to help the pets come down. The hose on the truck goes spray, 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 spray. The hose on the truck goes spray, 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 to clean and cool the day. The kitties in the store go meow, 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 meow. The puppies in the store go bow, wow, wow. They're safe and happy now.
Bumble Ellen.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, look who's roaring from afar. Baby dinos, big and small, playing gently so they don't fall. Stomping softly in the night, underneath your glowing light. Twinkle, twinkle in the sky, dinos giggle as they fly. Triceratops with frilly horns wakes up early with the morn. Velociraptor loves to race, zooming through the dino space. Twinkle, twinkle, shining bright, guiding dinos through the night. Stego swings its tail around, spinning, dancing on the ground. Tiny T-Rex joins the fun, chasing stars and having run. They all cuddle side by side, watching stars in the sky so wide. Twinkle, twinkle, little light, thanks for glowing every night. With our dino friends so near, we sleep with joy and dino cheer.
Bumble Ellen.
Eeny, meeny, miny, will catch a grin. Let the animal games begin. Monkey swings from tree to tree. Come and play some tag with me. Tiger hides behind the log. Jumps out laughing, ribbons his frog. Eeny, meeny, here we run. Playing games is so much fun. Spin around and hop like a bunny. Wiggle like a worm, it's super funny. Parrots walks, let's count to 10. We all jump and count again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, let's jump some more. 7, 8, and 9, and 10, let's play freeze and start again. Eeny, meeny, time to choose. Who will win and who will snooze? Elephant leads a parade so wide, with zebra, lion, duck by his side. We laugh and dance and clap along, singing our eeny, meeny song. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Thanks, dear friends, it's time to go. We'll play again another day. Animal friends, hooray, hooray!
Bumble Ellen.
Humpty Dumpty sat so high on a flying carpet in the sky. He waved to clouds and zipped around, zooming gently without a sound. Over castles, over trees, floating softly in the breeze. With a hat upon his eggy head, he laughed and twirled and forward sped. Humpty soared through rainbow light, sparkles glowing, oh so bright. Birds flew by with happy tunes. He danced with stars and silver moons. But oh, the carpet gave a bounce. Humpty shouted, one more pounce. He looped and twirled and dipped down low. A barrel roll, what a show!
Bumble Ellen.
Go, go, my train, choo, choo, choo. Riding the track so fun and new. With baby animals, here we go. Chugging along, fast or slow. The lion cub roars, let's ride today. The giraffe peeks out so tall and gay. The little elephant's trunk goes, while the baby kangaroo jumps sleek. Go, go, my train, choo, choo, choo. Through the jungle with a scenic view. The monkey swings from side to side, while the baby zebra enjoys the ride. The baby panda giggles so loud, riding the train with a soft cloud. The baby rider stomps his feet, chugging along to the rhythmic beat. Go, go, my train, choo, choo, choo. Over hills and valleys too. The tiger cubs wave from the rear, while the baby koala clings with cheer. Whistle blows, we're on our way, with all the baby animals today. Go, go, my train, choo, choo, choo. Every ride is fun, it's true. So all aboard, let's have some fun. Our train adventure's just begun. With baby animals on the move, this choo-choo ride's got nothing to prove.
Bumble Ellen.
Bingo the dog and baby cow, playing hide and seek right now. Bingo bark, I'll count to 10. You hide and I'll find you then. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Baby cow hid behind the door. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bingo sniffed and said, not late. Nine and 10, Bingo called, ready or not, here I come, y'all. He sniffed the grass and checked the tree, but baby you got me. Now it's baby cow's turn to hide. Bingo wagged his tail with pride. Baby cow ran with a moo and leap, hiding under a haystack heap. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bingo bark, I'm coming for. He sniffed the barn and searched the hay, finding baby cow without delay. Gotcha! Bingo barked, you're found. Baby cow giggled and spun around. Hide and seek with fun and cheer, playing together year after year.
Bumble Ellen.
Row, row your boat down the river so wide, with farm animals by your side. Row, row your boat through the sparkling blue, delivering gifts from me to you. The cow in the boat moved. Let's go! Basket of apples in tow. Here's a gift for you to share, a fresh apple sweet and fair. Sheep jumped in with woolly bleat, bringing gifts for all to greet. Here's some yarn to knit and weave, a cozy scarf you can achieve. The horse galloped fast and bright, carrying gifts through the night. Here's some hay so soft and sweet for your barn to make it neat. The duck flapped in with a quack, bringing gifts a little stack. Here's a ribbon green and blue for your garden, just for you. Row, row your boat down the river so wide, with farm animals by your side. Row, row your boat through the sparkling blue, delivering gifts from me to you. The cow in the boat moved. Let's go! Basket of apples in tow. Here's a gift for you to share, a fresh apple, sweet and fair. The sheep jumped in with woolly bleat, bringing gifts for all to greet. Here's some yarn to knit and weave, a cozy scarf you can achieve. The horse galloped fast and bright, carrying gifts through the night. Here's some hay so soft and sweet for your barn to make it neat. The duck flapped in with a quack, bringing gifts a little stack. Here's a ribbon green and blue for your garden, just for you. Row, row your boat down the stream, with all the farm animals, what a team! Delivering gifts with hearts so kind, bringing joy to all we find. The pig in the boat snorted with cheer. More guests are coming, don't fear! Here's some mud to make us slide, for fun and laughter far and wide. Row, row your boat with gifts galore, farm animals sharing more and more. Together they float under the sky so bright, bringing happiness with every sight.
Bumble Ellen.
Hush, little birdie, floating tight. The birdie cow will say goodnight. She'll moo so softly, a lullaby sweet, to help you rest and fall asleep.
Hush, little baby, drift to the deep. The baby sheep will count you to sleep. With a soft ba-ba, gentle and light, you'll be dreaming all through the night.
Hush, little baby, the stars are aglow. The baby horse will sing soft and slow. With the neigh that's sweet, you'll hear in the air a peaceful song of love and care.
Hush, little baby, don't make a peep. The baby pig will make you sleep. With the oink, oink, soft as can be, she'll sing you into sweet harmony.
Hush, little baby, don't you fear. The baby duck is always near. With a quack, quack, she sings so true, a lullaby just for you. Hush, little baby, sleep through the night. The baby animals will hold you tight. In the barn, so warm and kind, you'll dream of all the love you'll find.
Hush, little baby, now rest your head under the stars in your cozy bed.
The farm animals, they're all around.
rocking you gently with love unbound.
Bumble Ellen.
Here's the train for dinner family, jogging down the track. All aboard, it's time to go. We're not turning back. Choo-choo goes the engine, puffing clouds of steam. This little finger's ready to lead the train, it seems. Next comes the carriage, it's carrying some friends. With windows open wide, it's where the journey bends. Chug chug, here's the caboose, rolling down the line. Last but not least, this finger's doing fine. All together now, we make the train complete. Going round and round, so fast and neat. Choo choo train finger family, off we go. Clap your hands and watch us flow.
Bumble Ellen.
Baby Laa Laa, wake up, it's time to play. The sleeping bunnies need to wake up today. Stretch your paws, hop and run, the morning light has just begun. Hop hop little bunnies out of your nest. It's a new day, so let's be our best. With the wiggle and the twitch they start to hop. Ready for fun, they can't stop. Now baby Laa Laa, let's wake the cows. They're sleeping in the barn, under the boughs. Moo moo cows, it's time to rise. Come outside and stretch the skies. Next, let's wake the pigs in the pen. They're snuggled up, counting to 10. Oink, oink, pigs, come out to play. Rolling in the mud to start the day. The sheep in the meadow are sleeping tight. Let's give them a nudge and make things right. Ba ba sheep, time to say hello. Come out and enjoy the morning glow. The ducks in the pond are floating asleep. Let's wake them up from their watery deep. Quack, quack, ducks, flap your wings wide. It's a perfect day to swim and glide. Baby Laa Laa, you've woken them all. The farm animals are ready for a ball. With a moo and an oink, a quack and a baa. It's time for a fun day, hurrah, hurrah.
Bumble Ellen.
Counting song with Baby Shark. Let's go on a swim in the deep blue dark. One little shark, swimming so free. Swim along with me. 1, 2, 3, baby shark. Do 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 do. Baby shark. Do 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 do. Baby shark. Do 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 do. Now we count. Here we go. 2 little sharks swimming in the sea. Do 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 do. They're happy as can be. They wiggle their tails and splash with glee. 2 little sharks, come follow me. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Swimming fast. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little sharks, splashing so bright, chasing the bubbles in the shimmering light. They swim together, what a sight. 4 little sharks swimming in the night. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Leading the way with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little sharks swimming in the sea, waving their fins so happily. They swim and they splash, wild and free. 5 little sharks, come swim with me. Now we've counted sharks galore, but let's go swimming and count some more. Counting songs with Baby Shark. We'll swim and play until it's dark.
Bumble Ellen.
5 speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. 1 jumped into the pool with a splash. Now there are 4 speckled frogs. 4 speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. 1 jumped into the pool with a splash. Now there are 3 speckled frogs. 3 speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. 1 jumped into the pool with a splash. Now there are 2 speckled frogs. 2 speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. 1 jumped into the pool with a splash. Now there are 2 speckled frogs.
Bumble Ellen.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark is off to school. Let's learn and have some fun too. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Mommy shark says get your things, your backpack's packed, let's spread your wings. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Daddy shark says have a good day, you're gonna learn in every way. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark is feeling bright, ready to learn with all his might. At school, Baby shark will see friends and teachers full of glee. Reading, counting, singing too. So much to do, so much to view. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Learning, laughing all day long. Sing and play and you'll be strong. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do-do. Now it's time to head back home. What a day Baby shark has grown.
Bumble Ellen.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece as white as snow. It followed her to play one day where the jumping frogs all go. The frogs hopped high and far, splashing in the pond. Mary laughed and clapped her hands as the frogs sang a joyful song. Ribbit, ribbit, hop, hop, hop. The frogs were leaping non-stop. Mary's lamb joined in the fun. Together they danced under the sun. One little frog with big green eyes taught the lamb to hop and try. Mary laughed and the lamb did too, jumping and hopping laughing with the frog so true. Ribbit, ribbit, jump with me. Let's all play and hop with glee. Mary the lamb and the frog so spry, leaping and laughing, reaching the sky. Mary had a little lamb and frogs to play along. They spent the day in sunshine bright, singing their happy song.
Bumble Ellen.
Let's color eggs so bright and fun. Red and yellow, here we come. Green and purple, pink and blue. We'll make them sparkle just for you. Dip the brush and here we go. On the eggs the colors glow. Red and orange swirl and mix, brightening up our colorful fix. Yellow eggs, they shine so bright. Blue and green, oh what a sight. Purple and pink in every hue. Our Easter eggs are painted blue. Let's roll the eggs, then give a cheer. Coloring eggs with friends so dear. Dip, swirl, and paint them bright. Every color shining in the light. Red and green and rainbow hues. Every egg's a work of you. Coloring eggs, oh what fun. Our colorful journey's just begun. Let's color eggs and celebrate our artworks now. Oh so great. Easter's here with joy and cheer. Coloring eggs, let's all gather near.
Bumble Ellen.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Are you feeding the animals?
No, Papa.
Are you sure, Papa?
Yes, Papa.
The cow says moo and the sheep says baa. The pigs are rolling in the mud, ha ha. The rooster's crowing, the horse says neigh. The farm animals are ready to play. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Are you giving the chicken some grain?
No, Papa.
No, Papa. Are you sure, Papa?
Yes, Papa.
The ducks are swimming in the pond so clear. The cows are munching grass, oh dear. The cat is purring, the dog's barking loud. The farm is bustling, happy and proud. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Are you cleaning the barn today? No, Papa. Are you sure, Papa?
Yes, Papa.
The sheep are jumping, the goats on a spree. The horses are galloping, wild and free. The farm animals are all so bright. They'll play and rest under the moonlight. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Are you helping the animals to bed?
Yes, Papa.
Are they cozy, Papa?
Yes, Papa.
The chickens are clucking, the cows are asleep. The pigs are snuggled in their pen so deep. Johnny, Johnny, it's time to say goodnight. The farm animals are tucked in tight.
Bumble Ellen.
Let's learn the letter X, come along. With animal friends, it's going to be fun and strong. X marks the spot, let's take a look. We're on a learning adventure, come get the book. X is for the X-ray fish, swimming through the water with a glowing wish. X is for the xylophone too, a musical instrument that plays for you. X is for the fox so sly, sneaking through the forest with a twinkle in his eye. slow. So let's practice and say it loud. With animal friends, we're feeling proud. X marks the spot on this fun ride. With animals and letters, let's take it in stride. Now you know the letter X so well. It's time for more learning as we continue to tell.
Bumble Ellen.
The ABC Animals train is here. All aboard, let's give a cheer. A's for the alligator, strong and grand, riding the train across the land. B is for the bear, so big and brown, hopping on the train, rolling through the town. C is for the cat, with the purr so sweet, riding the train on happy feet. D is for the dog, wagging his tail, climbing aboard the train, ready to sail. E is for the elephant, so tall and gray, trudging through the doors and making way. F is for the frog, hopping in a line, leaping on the train, feeling just fine. G is for the giraffe, with a neck so tall, she stretches to see the train, feeling proud of it all. H is for the horse, galloping with grace, sitting on the train, ready to race. I is for the iguana, green and bright, climbing on the train, joining the sight. J is for the jaguar, sleek and fast, joining the train ride, making it last. K is for the kangaroo, bouncing around, hopping on the train with a joyful sound. L is for the lion, roaring loud and clear, riding the train with a mighty cheer. M is for the monkey, swinging with glee on the train, hanging from a tree. N is for the narwhal, swimming with pride on the train, ready for the ride. O is for the owl, with eyes so wide, sitting quietly, enjoying the stride. P is for the panda, so fluffy and slow, on the train, taking it nice and low. Q is for the quail, with feathers so neat, sitting on the train with tiny feet. R is for the rabbit, hopping with joy, riding the train, oh boy, oh boy. S is for the snake, slithering through, joining the train with a hiss or two. T is for the tiger, big and strong, riding the train all day long. U is for the unicorn, with the magical horn, riding the train, shining since dawn. V is for the vulture, flying so high, riding the train through the bright blue sky. W is for the wolf, howling at the moon, joining the train with a hiss or tune. Now the train's full, everyone's aboard. We've learned our ABCs, and now we're adored. The ABC Animals train is done, but we had so much fun.
Bumble Ellen.
Little pony off to school, with a shiny mane looking cool, trotting down the path so bright, ready to learn with all her might. She's got her backpack so neat and small, she's ready for class to learn it all. The pony's excited with the happy whinny, to meet her friends and sing a tune so spinny. At school, little pony sees her friends, the duck, the cat and the bees. They all sit together in a big round circle, learning their numbers, colors, and all that's so wonderful. Little pony, do you know your ABCs? Yes, she does, as easy as a breeze. A, B, C, and D, she sings them happily, so full of glee. Little pony loves to draw, she colors pictures with her hoof oh so raw. With crayons and paper, she's full of cheer, drawing flowers and trees year after year. At playtime, she gallops so fast, chasing her friends, having time with treats to munch. Pony nibbles on apples, yum a lunch. Little pony back from school. She's learned so much and played by the rule. Now it's time to rest and dream of another fun day with a new learning theme.
Bumble Ellen.
One little elephant went out to play with the farm animals on a sunny day. He waddled through the field so wide, looking for some friends by his side. The cow said, "Moo, come play with me." So the elephant joined the cow happily. They danced together, twirling around, spinning in circles, no one slowing down. Then the duck quacked, "Come and play." So the elephant waddled right away. They splashed in the pond, oh what a sight. Elephant and duck playing day and night. Next the sheep Ed from the barn, saying, "Elephant, come with us on the farm." The great hopscotch in the soft green grass, laughing and jumping, having a blast. The pig rolled in the mud with a happy squeal. "Elephant, let's play, it's such a big deal." They both had fun making a big splash, rolling in the mud with a joyful dash. The horse neighed, "Come run with me." So the elephant galloped happily. They ran around the farm so free, together in the breeze, just wait and see. At the end of the day, as the sun set low, one little elephant was ready to go. He said goodbye to all his farm friends and promised to come back again and again. Then the duck quacked, "Come and play." So the elephant waddled right away. They splashed in the pond, oh what a sight. Elephant and duck playing day and night. Next the sheep Ed from the barn, saying, "Elephant, come with us on the farm." The great hopscotch in the soft green grass, laughing and jumping, having a blast. The pig rolled in the mud with a happy squeal. "Elephant, let's play, it's such a big deal." They both had fun making a big splash, rolling in the mud with a joyful dash.
Bumble Ellen.
Ring around the rosy baby, animals play, all in a circle, laughing all the way. The baby duckling waddles, quack, 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 spinning in the circle and coming back. Ring around the rosy baby, animals twirl, the baby bunny hops and gives a little whirl. Hopping, hopping, so soft and quick, the bunny loves to jump and flick. Ring around the rosy baby, animals cheer, the baby lamb baws and leaps in here, bouncing in the circle, feeling so bright. The baby lamb's joy is pure delight. Ring around the rosy baby, animals spin, the baby piglet giggles, rolling in, squealing and laughing, jumping around, twirling and spinning on the ground. Ring around the rosy, all the animals play, a perfect little circle to end the day. Baby animals laughing, having so much fun, spinning, spinning till the day is done.
Bumble Ellen.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, wave goodbye. Teddy bear, clap your paws. Teddy bear, give big applause. Teddy bear, spin in place. Teddy bear, make a happy face.